Alright everyone, I'll go and show you how to make your account not private on TikTok. So let's jump right in. However, verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Open up TikTok app, log into your account, go to your profile, tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Then open main menu, tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Proceed to settings and privacy and then select privacy. First of all, disable private account. Just swipe the slider to the left side next to private account. Then enable active status. Just swipe the slider to the right side next to active status. Then select suggest your account to others and enable this all toggle. As you can see, just tap on these toggles. Alright, go back, select sync contacts and Facebook friends and enable these two options. Alright, go back, scroll down, under safety, tap on downloads and enable it. Go back, select comments, select everyone, then scroll down a little bit and disable filter all comments and disable filter spam and offensive comments. Go back, select text and mentions, select everyone, then select who can mention you, select everyone. Alright, now just go back, select following list and set everyone. Go back, select story, select everyone, go back, select do it, select everyone, go back, proceed to stitch, select everyone, go back, select liked videos and select everyone, go back, and then tap on direct messages and select everyone. This is the last option what we need to do. Just go back and use your TikTok app. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.